Welcome to Kiss and Kids!
Hi everyone, welcome to our underwater adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet sea animals. Let's go!
Yeah!
Dolphin, dolphin. Dolphins are friendly, intelligent swimmers known for their playful jumps and whistles. Shark, shark. Sharks are powerful ocean predators with sharp teeth and super strong senses. Whale, whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, singing beautiful songs beneath the sea. Octopus, octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms, soft bodies, and can change color to hide from danger. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Jellyfish float gracefully and use their tentacles to sting and catch food. Sea turtle, sea turtle. Sea turtles glide through the ocean and can live for more than 100 years. Starfish, starfish. Starfish, or sea stars, have 5 arms and can regrow them if they get hurt. Seahorse, seahorse. Seahorses are tiny, magical creatures, and amazingly, the males carry the babies. Crab, crab. Crabs walk sideways and use their claws to grab food and protect themselves. Lobster, lobster. Lobsters have strong claws and live at the bottom of the sea. Squid, squid. Squids are fast swimmers that shoot ink to escape predators. Stingray, stingray. Stingrays glide like flying carpets underwater with their flat bodies. Seal, seal. Seals are adorable marine mammals that love sunbathing on rocks. Sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lions are smart, loud, and love performing tricks. Walrus. Walrus. Walruses are big animals with long tusks and whiskers. Clownfish. Clownfish. Clownfish live safely inside sea anemones and are famous for their bright orange color. Blue tang. Blue tang. Blue tangs are colorful tropical fish with bright blue bodies. Thanks for swimming with us today. Which sea animal was favorite? Tell us in the comments and join us again for another ocean adventure.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.